How to add page border in PDF file in mobile. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to add page border in PDF file in mobile. So in that case you have to go ahead and download or install Microsoft Word. So I happen to already do it, so you have to go ahead and open up. Then when you're logged in, it's going to take you to this sort of page, and here you need to go ahead and press the plus icon from the top right hand side corner. Then go ahead and click on blank document, and when it opens up, this is gonna look something like this. Now while you're on this page, go ahead and tap on this A icon with a pencil on it. When you do that, you'll be able to see a drop down menu. From there, go to home. As you do that, go ahead and select insert. Once you are on this page or on the insert section, you need to scroll down a bit and go to text box. When you apply text box, you can see right on top there's this text box. Now all you have to do is just adjust the size of the text box just by tapping on the corners. Make sure to adjust it. So when you've adjusted that, then you could go ahead and change the color by tapping on this color icon located right at the bottom. Then you'll be able to change the color. So in this way you can add page border on your PDF file. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.